Hey guys, I'm currently homeless living in my car. I'm here with my partner. Um, we really do need support and help. It's hard living in a car, to be honest. Can't sleep properly, can't even heat up your meal. And yeah, it's not really the life that I chose for myself. It just sort of happened like this. But I really appreciate the help and the support from my subscribers and viewers. Hopefully when I get a good place and a good home with my partner and my child, can make better content videos, um, and see the progression of my life as it changes. Thank y'all, love y'all.